is Blume's Secret Surprise Garden. Let's get a quick look at it. But before we open it, I want to give a shout out to Tic Tac Toy. So let's open it. Stop. Press pink button before water. There we go. So, where's that watering can? Here's the watering can. So, I'm going to get some water in here. Okay, so here is the checklist. Open that checklist. Here's the checklist. And the front, and this is the back. And so in the back, it has the directions. Now, there was a little paper that said stop. Push pink button before watering. So I'm going to press that pink button. Now I'm going to water it. And it's going to bloom. I'm going to kind of help it a little bit. I can't really squeeze any more water, so get that paper off of my hand. Oh, there we go. And here's our doll. Her hair got on. So this is our doll. Okay, so let's get a closer look at our doll. She has the purple flower and some blue at the bottom. Okay, let's get this open. Wait, other way. Here it is. So let's get all this wrapping off. So let's use the scissors first to get all that wrapping off of here. There we go. Put that in. Put this up here. And so we can put these two down. And so there's like a little chair here. And a little purple chair that she can sit in. And there's also a pink little thing. Let's get those things in vacuum. There we go. Okay, so let's open this drawer. And so there's a little blow dryer in there. Let's get that blow dryer out. How do we get that blow dryer out? There we go, got it. Now let's kind of pull it there. And so the brush is in here. There's a little purple brush, and I think I almost got it. There. Here's the little brush, and this is the blow dryer. And so in this drawer, there's a little thing in this drawer. There. Ooh, her dress is in this drawer. So let's get her all changed before we open anything else. So This is her dress. So, she just bounced out of my hands. Now let's get this. Her hand in there and her hand in here. So, hand in. Put your hands like that so it's easier. Now this goes here. Now her dress is on. Okay, let's get this drawer open. There. Ooh, it's a little purse. And so this is her purse. And so let's open these two drawers. And here there's a little pants in here. So I'll take those pants out. And there's also a little dress. Top, shirt. So these two go together. So she has two choices of outfits. Okay, so now we're going to open this little cactus. Put that tape, let's pull. And so we pull on it, and then we kind of, and inside the cactus is a little tiny flower pet. It looks so cute. So I'm going to put some stickers in their house. And so there's a little message that says, Home Sweet Home. I'm going to put right here. Okay, I think that's it for today. So, see you later. And don't forget to ring that bell, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel.